Do you need to easily embed your live streaming services into your website? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed your live stream services into your website with the combination of Facebook and in YouTube. Now, my name is Monty Weaver and I'm a digital strategist helping entrepreneurs, business owners, nonprofit ministries really leverage the power of digital and social media. And one of the common questions that I've received is, how do I put my live stream easy into my website? Very, very simply, and I'm going to show you that. Now, before I get started, make sure you get subscribed to the channel if you need to learn more about digital and tech to help you grow using online and digital formats. Now, let's take a look at the scenario first to make sure that I preface this in a way that makes the most sense. Now, most of us are going online, if not everybody has gone online to live stream in some form or fashion. And we have to be aware of where is our audience and what comes natural to them. So if you have not live streamed prior to the COVID situation, then your audience doesn't really know where you are on a regular basis unless you tell them. So, some people might be comfortable with going to Facebook to watch a live stream, while others might not have a Facebook account and would prefer to go to YouTube to watch your live stream broadcast. But everybody can go to a website to watch the live stream broadcast. So being able to make it easier for your audience and your members to watch your live stream broadcast is going to be super important, not only right now, but going forward as well, because this is a great way to reach a brand new audience, people that will watch you just because you're giving them access and you're spreading the message outside of the four walls and into the entire world. So let's take a look first at Facebook. Now, if you're going to Facebook Live right now, you can easily embed your Facebook stream into your website. So we're going to do some screen share and walk you through how to do this. So let's get started. I am actually on a ministry's Facebook page right now. And so the very first thing we want to do is look for something called an embed code, okay? An embed code. And you can do this by going into the Publishing Tools section. And once Publishing Tools pops up, you want to look on the left-hand side under the Videos category and Video Library. Once you're in the Video Library, we're going to select on Live Video. And once you're ready to start your live stream broadcast, this is where you would typically go to get that Facebook Live started. But you also want to do one extra step. You'll want to go down to the Settings section and the Streams section. And this will allow you to copy your embed code. You'll see it start off with a bracket followed by iframe. This is what you want to copy specifically for your website. Now, once you've copied this, you'll definitely want to get with your webmaster, or if you know how to do this yourself, you're going to take this code and copy and paste it into your actual website. Now, I wanted to bring up a notepad so that you can actually see what this code looks like. So I'm going to paste this code into Notepad, and you can see that this is the actual code that I would also paste inside of my website. And this is how you take your Facebook live stream and put it into your website. Now, one thing I always recommend is to use a countdown timer, or make sure that you give yourself enough time to actually start your live stream broadcast and copy and paste your embed code into your website so that your audience knows exactly when you're coming on live. Now, Facebook is a way that you can do it, but I actually prefer to do it on YouTube instead. And here's why. YouTube is a platform that anybody can go to without an account. So if you have an older audience generation, or maybe a younger audience generation that is not really heavy on Facebook, or maybe they just don't have an account at all, anybody can access it through YouTube without having any type of account to watch a video. So we're going to actually take our embed code from YouTube and put that into our website. In order to do this on YouTube, you want to go into your YouTube studio. So make sure that you get logged in, go to your YouTube studio, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the Videos tab. We'll click on Videos. And then up at the top, you'll see uploads and live. And this is where we'll click on live. And you'll see that the very first video is going to be your next live stream. So what we'll do is we'll click on the image itself. And you can actually take your YouTube link and copy and paste this if you're using a host platform like GoDaddy, for example. So if I come over to our GoDaddy website, I literally can just remove the previous YouTube video and paste the brand new code inside of our website. Now, to grab the iframe, we would go back to YouTube. We would right click on the video itself, and you'll notice one of the options is to copy your embed code. So we'll remove our Facebook embed code and we'll paste our YouTube embed code. And this is the exact code that you would put directly on your website. Now, if you're not familiar with how to paste it into your website, definitely get with the person that's familiar with building out your website or your webmaster, and they can easily paste this code into your site for you. One thing that you can easily change is the size and dimensions of your video that's embedded on your website. And so in order to do this, in the width and in the height section, you can adjust these settings. So you'll make sure that you adjust it so it actually looks visible and a good representation on both mobile and on a desktop, laptop device. So that's a quick overall of how you would actually embed your live stream into your website. If you got some value from this video, make sure you consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have questions, make sure you post those in the comment section below. Scroll all the way down if you're on mobile, and I'll make sure that I get back with you with an answer to really help you dominate with digital and your online presence. And in this case, live streaming to your website. So I hope you guys got some value, and I'll see you on the next video.